Happy Saturday, everyone. So I just came out to the shop this morning. What I have left to do on this quilt is attach this piece, and this piece together, and I'll do that and then attach it to this larger chunk of quilt. And that's all that we have left to do to assemble the main body of the quilt. I'll then determine what size border to add all the way around, and we'll meet back up at that point, and we've almost got this quilt top together. And here we are. It is all together, and that really did not take that long. So I was just figuring out the border that's going to go all the way around, and I looked at her example. Let me have a seat right here. I just looked at the example, and it's not a hugely wide border that goes around the example picture of the quilt that she fell in love with on Pinterest. So I've decided to go with a finished 3.5-inch border, which means I'm going to cut my border strips to 4 inches wide. I did the math, and I'm going to need 7 strips of border fabric cut to 4 inches. And that's about 5/6 of a yard. So it looks like I'm going to have a little bit over a yard of fabric to put in my stash once this quilt is all put together. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these borders out and attach them, and we'll meet back when this quilt top is all complete. I have my borders on. We're almost done. I just have one little final thing I want to do. So on this corner square here, there was a little button with a bow that fell right in that seam line. So I needed to remove it to be able to attach the borders without running into problems with my needle breaking there. So I want to go ahead and attach this back because I think that just adds a little bit of something special and makes the clothing block look a little bit more familiar. So I'll go ahead and hand sew that on and then put this quilt top back on the board so you can get a full view of where we're at. I had just enough border pieces cut. There were 7 pieces and it was just the right amount. And I forgot. So I thought I had a little over a yard of extra blue fabric, but that's the same fabric she wants to use as the binding. So I purchased, it looks like, just enough to do this quilt, so that works out well too. So I'll go ahead and hand sew this button on and put the quilt up on the wall, and we'll meet back. Here we go, everyone. My quilt top is all complete. I think it looks fantastic. I really like the blue. It keeps the quilt very soft. I think black would have looked spectacular too, but it would have also been really bold. And I think my client really preferred a softer look. So the blue is fabulous. I love that. So here we are. My plans are, let me have a seat here. My plans are to take the rest of today off and help my daughter and her husband move into the house that they bought. And tomorrow's Easter, so happy Easter, everyone. I hope you have an awesome, blessed day and have a chance to spend time with family and friends and enjoy your day. Monday I'll be quilting this quilt and wrapping everything up, so we are almost done. Yay! I will see y'all next week and finish up this quilt.